Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can use Docusign. So let's start. When you log in to your account, you're going to see your dashboard here, and you just want to simply click drop documents here to get started and upload a document that you have. It can be PDF or doc, it doesn't really matter. Then you can go with I'm the only signer, or you can go, when you're going to click I'm only signer, you're going to sign it by yourself. You can click next and then simply invite people. So name, email, and needs to sign, and you can add recipient, right? I can go back, or I'm the only signer, and sign. Okay. And now we're going to wait, no. And right here, you want to scroll down below to your sign, and how to sign it simply without anything like hard. You just take the signature and edit it. I have pre-created signature, but you don't have to have signature pre-created. You need to pre-create it, you need to draw it, or just write it down. And you can make it bigger or smaller. It's like really up to you. Because when I go to Docusign, it's pre-created because I signed document with this. I can click on it and I can simply draw. And you can use the sign for everything, right? That's really great. Or you can upload it. Then you have initials. Again, I have pre-created initials, and it's the same that I have here, right? So you can really choose which one you want, and you will automatically sign with it from the home. Then you have stamps here that you can add, and you can choose or upload or create a stamp. And then you have like date signed, and then you can add your name here, or first name or last name. Again, same thing. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Or add an email address or a company or title. Or then you can add simple text if you want to. You can make it bigger. This is a text, right? Or you can add a checkbox. Then what you can do is you can simply zoom in or zoom out. You can download it, combine PDF. I can open it. And look at this, I just scroll down and I would just have it here. Then you can print it, you can rotate it. And what you can do is now just simply scroll down below and click finish. Full name. I will add email address here. Send and close. And when I go to my Gmail account, I'm going to show you straight away how it looks like. And view completed document. Look at this. Voila, here we got a sign, right? Pretty easy, pretty simple. Now I can go to Docusign and I can click also, you would see it here in your manage, where you have like send, drafts or delete it. Then you have templates here that you can create. So in templates, you can create a template, and this is something that you can like send to people to sign. You can drop the files here and I will show you. So I got this here. Click next. Placeholder, this is like a client, needs to sign, or in-person signer receives a copy, and customize, add the name and email, add the access code, or delete recipient, click next. And now, what you have to do in this template, you can simply scroll down below and ask for signature here. And let's say that I want 2 signatures from him or from her. So as you can see, I asked for 2 signatures. Then you can also ask for initials, right? Or stamps or dates signed, or name and email, company, text, checkbox, drop down, radio, drawing, formal, attachment, note, approve, decline. Then you're gonna see custom fields that you can add, and this is how you can create it. So these are the fields that I can add, on left side, and then on right side you can add tooltip, data label, formatting, location, sender permissions like restrict changes. And when you got it, what you need to do is just click next, and then voila, you got it. So we got a template. So this template, if I would send it to someone, they need to sign it up. Save template. I can also message. You can save the template, right? Save and close. And now I can go and click here, use, and you just add name here and email. I'm going to send it to myself again. Needs to sign. Okay. And voila, here we got it. So I'm going to review the document here. And I need to sign it right here. See? Pretty easy, pretty simple, and everyone can do it. So this is how we can use Docusign. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. I really think the Docusign is a simple program and it's quite easy to understand and get a hold into. But yeah, on the start, it can seem difficult to use Docusign, but I believe that after that, you will know exactly what to do. Definitely recommend when you go to the home button, check your signer here that you can add, change everything, and you can just actually copy it for all the time. And yep. See ya.